Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drum brake kit used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the rear drum brakes on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheels to gain full access. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Before starting, release the handbrake, otherwise the operation will be impossible. Loosen the drum retaining screw on the rear hub using a socket wrench and a Phillips head socket. Use a hammer to tap the drum to loosen the brake shoes from the drum and make it easier to remove. Then remove the drum. Now you have to remove the mounting system of the shoes. Using a flathead screwdriver, unclip the clips holding the brake shoes, sliding them outwards. Then remove the rods. Disengage the lower spring from the brake shoes by pulling on the shoes to extract them from their slots. Then separate the brake shoes from the wheel cylinder. Remove the handbrake cable from its latch to remove the rear brake shoe. You now need to clean the inner side with a wire brush and brake cleaner in order to remove the brake dust left over from natural wear of the brake shoes. Remember to protect the floor by placing a fluid collection tray. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Once cleaned and dried, lubricate the brake shoe bearing surfaces. Recover the elements from the old assembly that are not included in the kit. Remove the various springs and retrieve the handbrake adjuster. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the locking pin from the handbrake lever. Retrieve the handbrake lever.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Install the handbrake lever onto the brake shoe and fit the new pin. replace the handbrake adjuster spring. Install the handbrake adjuster between the two brake shoes. Then put the upper spring in place on the two brake shoes. Install the spring between the handbrake adjuster and the rear brake shoe. Place the lower spring between the two brake shoes. Start by reinserting the handbrake cable back into its latch. Then position the brake shoe. Then position the linings, starting by putting in place the brake cylinder, then the lower stop. Take the brake shoe holding system with the rods and clips supplied in the kit. Insert the rod. Install the front brake shoe retaining clip using a flathead screwdriver and pliers. Repeat the same operation on the rear brake shoe. Clean the drum with brake cleaner and paper towels. You can now close the work area by putting the drum back on. Then tighten the drum retaining screw. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.